Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Camry cabin air filter. First, gather your new cabin air filter and prepare for a quick, straightforward task. This essential maintenance improves your vehicle's interior air quality and ensures efficient heating and cooling. You will find the filter conveniently located behind the glove compartment, making it an accessible component for routine replacement. To begin, open your glove compartment and remove any items inside to clear your workspace. Next, gently press inward on the outer edges of the glove box to disengage the two stopper tabs, allowing it to swing down further. On the right side, you will see a small dampener arm. Carefully unclip this arm to fully lower the glove box, revealing the filter housing. Now identify the rectangular plastic housing cover, which typically has two clips on either side. Unclip these fasteners and carefully pull the cover straight off. With the cover removed, you can easily slide out the old, often dirty, cabin air filter from its designated slot. Take your new filter and insert it, making sure the airflow arrow on its side points downwards, towards the floor of the vehicle. To finish, carefully reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap firmly into place. Next, reconnect the dampener arm to its original position on the right side of the glove box. Finally, gently push the glove box upwards until the stopper tabs on both sides re-engage, securing it closed. You have successfully replaced your cabin air filter, improving your car's interior air quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.